हेलो व्यूवर्स, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। माय नेम इज़ स्वालिहा एंड अभी तक आप लोग मुझे परवेज़ सर की बहुत सारी वीडियोस में देखते आ रहे हैं जिसमें मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ। तो बहुत आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट किया कि आप इंग्लिश में क्यों नहीं बोलते हो, इंग्लिश जानते भी हो आप लोग या नहीं। तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हमारा मेन मकसद ये दिखाना नहीं है कि हम कितनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं या जानते हैं। हमारा मेन मकसद आप लोगों तक मैसेज पहुँचाना है कि इंग्लिश सीखना कितना आसान है। जो लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ना लिखना बोलना भी नहीं जानते हैं वो भी इंग्लिश कितनी आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। तो मैं एक बात पूछती हूँ आपसे, अगर हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में सर अगर अपना लेक्चर देते हैं, तो क्या जो लोग इंग्लिश नहीं जानते हैं क्या वो इंग्लिश में लेक्चर समझ पाएंगे? तो हमारा मेन मकसद ये नहीं है जिन्हें इंग्लिश आती है हम उन्हें सिखाएं। हमारा मेन मकसद ये है कि जिन्हें इंग्लिश बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती है उन्हें हम बहुत ही सिंपल और आसान तरीके से अपनी ही भाषा में उन्हें इंग्लिश सिखाएं, जैसा कि सर अभी कर रहे हैं। ओके, आज जो मेरा पार्ट है, आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपनी जर्नी शेयर करूंगी एशियन एकेडमी पे परवेज़ सर के साथ, वो भी फुल इंग्लिश में। ओके, चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। Today, I want to share my journey at Asian Academy of English Language. And my journey starts from that day when I decided to learn English. And it was not only the journey, it was the magical moments of my life. And when I was in class 10th, it was the month of April and my vacation was going on. At that time, I thought that I would not waste my vacation at all and decided to learn something new. And that something new was to learn English because I knew that I was not good in English. And in my school, I was unable to understand the tricky formulas and grammar rules, and I always had a problem before my examination, and that was to cram the question answer and the whole syllabus. It was really a very difficult task and time taking. And even I knew the concept and stories behind those chapters, but in the exams I was unable to express my words in the examination sheet because I did not know how to frame sentences correctly. And this was the biggest reason why I decided to learn English. And I discussed this problem with my parents. My parents supported me a lot. They told me that learning English would help me throughout my life and asked me to find out the best academy in our locality. I said okay, and the same day I started searching academies here and there. One day I came to know about some academy that teaches free of cost, and at the same time I came to visit it. After gathering inquiry from there, when I was coming back home, I saw the banner of Asian Academy of English Language on the way, and I got attracted by the line that English सीखना कभी इतना आसान ना था. Learning English has never been so easy, and it was quite interesting, isn't it? And at the same time, I made a phone call on the given number. It was Parvez sir, and I asked him where that academy was. He replied that it was just behind the Chinar apartment. I said okay, and he asked me to come after 5:30. Then I disconnected the phone call. After 5:30, I came here and I asked her about the fees structure, batch timing, courses, and all the information which I wanted to know. And I also asked him if there would be any demo class. He replied negatively. I said okay and moved out of the office. And after coming back home, I had a negative thought, and that would it be right to take admission there directly without any demo class? Okay, I thought for some time, and finally, keeping all these thoughts aside, I decided to learn English from Parvez sir. And in the first class itself, I realized that it was the right place to learn English for anybody. Only in the first week of my class, I saw that sir was not using any book to teach us, and he was just teaching by his fundas and techniques. Yes, I am talking about funda 1 into 6, the magical funda which I had never heard before, which made me able to frame sentences correctly. You know what? Many of us have heard that the best teacher teaches from the heart, experiences, techniques, and not from the book. And Parvez sir does exactly the same. In the basic course, I have learned how to frame sentences correctly through tenses and Funda 1 into 6. And it is really very necessary, and without it you won't be able to speak or write correctly. We had many interacting sessions like group discussion, in which I built up my confidence level a lot, and another one is newspaper reading, and from this I improved my reading skills and memorizing power a lot. And the next one was audio visual session. That was my favorite part, in which I developed my listening power. And viewers, in the end I did writing session, which opened my mind thoroughly and polished my grammar, and it eradicated all my minute mistakes, and that I enjoyed a lot. And this was all about the course. And you know what, before learning English, I thought the only reason why people wanted to learn English was just to communicate with each other, but that's not true. After learning English, I realized that English language is the best way to create a strong bond between me and the endless knowledge of the world. And all the credit goes to the best and my favorite teacher, Parvez sir. Thank you.